My name is Boubacar Ba. I'm an English language teacher, and I'm teaching English at Lycée Ngalandou High School. The parts are very interesting, really. They are things that are enriching, informative, and things that, really can help teachers to find out materials that will be very helpful to them, okay, for, their teaching practice. Yes, yes. The website, for example, I really didn't know, okay, that those websites existed. So it is a discovery, okay, for me. And the websites, as they have, been presented to us, okay, are things that, contain resourceful materials, okay, and large number of resourceful materials, okay, from where we can, pick up some of them and then adapt them to the realities of our classes. We learned a lot today. Yeah, we learned a lot. Yeah.